Let's put this stickers over here.
Yeah, I'm gonna separate them.
For the OnlyFans?
Yeah.
No. I actually have a lot of followers over there too. Don't tell me you recorded.
Yeah, I recorded that. No one's gonna know. How are they gonna know?
Stickers, baby.
All right, we picked the hottest day of the year, but you know what? For good reasons. So check out that top. We'll talk about that and why that's so important to me. And then Dre, manual labor. This guy works all night long, comes to the wrap shop to fix all my mistakes. I'm no longer allowed to actually touch anything wrap specific. Yeah, there's a lot more work in this. You guys gotta give credit to these guys. This is a lot of work. This is very meticulous shit. And all I gotta do is drive. So there's a lot of pressure right now.
So fucking go get us a warehouse where we have more parking.
Oh, your famous dance is okay.
I hope this is the video that gets like a ton of views and you're out here dancing. All right guys, after a long day at the shop, we finally got something to show you guys. But Revline definitely knows what they're doing. They definitely slapped the actual livery together piece by piece. And it's very meticulous. There's a lot of time that goes into this. It's not one of those things that you can just do in a split second. I know drifters kind of just, you know, slap everything together with like zip ties and whatnot, but they really perfected the craft here. And let's just show you. I'm done talking. Thing looks so crazy. Still have to put all the other sponsors on, but other than that, this car is gonna be looking really, really good sideways. We got the main sponsor, Elite Tuner, on there, just to kind of gauge to see where all the other logos will go and whatnot. But I even have the Fight Cancer up top. So if you guys need anything and you guys really want to step your game up when it comes to the vinyl game, you have to check out Revline Vinyl. They'll definitely set your actual vehicle up. The livery game for them is really stepping up, and you know, the quality control here is very, very good, especially with the vinyl that they're able to use on this. Like, not many chrome liveries, especially black chrome and red chrome, where you can see every imperfection, can be this perfected. So definitely check them out. What's going on, guys? We are back at Revline Vinyl today, finishing up the Vette. We got some stickers that we have to put on for the sponsors. The hood is done, the sides is basically done. And then special thanks to Andrew over at True Focus Fabrication. we do have our bash bars in. So we just got to drill these through, kind of go through the factory support, and other than that, they do fit. So the C6, the main worry was it gonna fit through the fender? We have enough clearance to actually lock up the actual rear bumper. Same thing on this side. The only adjustment I think I'm gonna have is the actual jacking point. We're gonna really see how far this is towards the ground because I really don't want to get stuck. So this is the jacking point, so this is what we're gonna be going based off of when we're actually jacking the car up to change the wheels and tires. So took about like a half hour trying to make sure that the boxes line up, things like that, but special thanks to Nick for helping me out because I really don't know. We got the hood stickers already done, so we'll apply that and lay that down. And then we got some of the sponsor stickers for the side, for the actual driver's side. So we got all the logos done. Nick is on this side. Anthony is applying the livery on this side. We're getting all the logos done on this side. So it's literally all hands on deck. We're trying to get this whole entire thing done. Yeah.
Here, so we can see all that. Yeah, I'm trying to keep the same distance here.
Yeah, it didn't start. So.
Oh, you can see it.
Guys, this thing looks absolutely mental. What do you think?
Looks dope.
Dima?
Perfect.
Oh, hell yeah. Let's get it, boys. Let's not crash this shit on the first event. God damn.
Do not go to the first event, you know?
Skip the first event, you won't crash the
So we got all our sponsors here. You got Revline Vinyl up top. You got MPP, Alden American, Liqui Moly. We got Sicky, Kansai, D&D, Lead Tuner on that end. Got the fast comm cams will go on there, EDC graphics, automotive aerodynamics, and then you got these big ass Kansai wheels on it. And then check out the actual bash bar. We have to cut the rear bumper so Nick can actually have a clean surface to actually wrap tomorrow, and that's the final piece for the actual satin black. And then we still have the one side that we have to do on the passenger side, but other than that, this car should be ready for pickup very, very soon.
My man.
Anthony, what do you got to say to your fans?
What fans?
Only fans.
Only fans. That would be you.
So I never really ask questions. I just tell Anthony to cut it, because if we don't cut it now, we're just gonna regret and maybe think about it for another 15, 20 minutes and then just end up cutting it. So might as well just cut it. That's Nick's new drift car.
A little bit here and there, a little bit here.
But this now is
After, I think it's like 1 a.m., car's finally done. It's looking so sick. Can't thank these guys at Revline enough. If you can't hear it in my voice, I'm exhausted. Shout out to Faction Motorsports for the harnesses. Got the Pyrotech all situated with the Stable Energies. They hooked me up with some planted seat rails. But damn, dude, the car is looking absolutely insane. I think cutting the rear bumper, it's definitely gonna take some time to get used to, but honestly, I can't thank these guys enough. I'm so pumped on how this car came out. Can't wait to bring it to Pro Bro Down to release the car at FD, just to kind of show you guys what we're working with. But the next day, I'm gonna try and sign up for Club Blue so we can get this car on the track finally after a 2-year hiatus of waiting. Definitely follow them on below. Check out their link, check out what they do here, but honestly, this car, get back to our roots, guys, go drifting, make some merch, and just take it day by day, but having fun no matter what, and that's what we're gonna stick to. Shout out to all the sponsors on the car. It's finally done. Again, I'm so pumped. Without these guys and without the car and without drifting, I wouldn't be who I am today, and I'm super pumped to just get on the track again, finally. Smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. All right, well, they're taking photos. We're gonna go set up the trailer, make sure that we have enough gas to get it on the trailer.
Okay, well, the ramp is down.
Dude, you have to go this way.
Roll back. Do not roll backwards. You gotta go forward. You have no choice.
Bro, that was by far the most, like, sketchiest fucking... I'm not gonna lie to you boys, did not think this was gonna actually make it to Englishtown. So pumped on everybody involved, especially Revline Vinyl. Seeing this car here at Englishtown is just absolutely mental. Oh my God. All the hard work. You happy we went with this design over the other one?
Yeah, way better. Way better design.
We're back.
Hi.
Monica's car is on the lift. She almost fell. She going drifting. Chris is building some drifting stuff.
I modified her knuckles.
Joe's rocking the Crocs. We got Jake with the custom t-shirt. Anthony's next. GTST. Come on, bro.
Trash my car. On it.
Nick's already down. He's already making the livery for his car so he could drive the GTST too.
Yeah, right.
We gotta go to the meal.
All right, guys. Special thanks to Revline Vinyl. Special thanks to Raceway Park, East Coast Drift School. Do you have lessons this week?
Yeah.
Fully booked?
Oh yeah, fully booked.
So if you guys don't book now, forever hold your...
They can't book until my July schedule's out, which is June 22nd.
So book in August.
Oh, is that when this is coming out?
Oh damn, yeah, probably. Probably next year. All right, boys. Thank you. We took only 15 hours to load the trailer and unload it in 2 seconds.
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell.
Tighten your lug nuts.
And tighten your lug nuts because you don't want to have loose lug nuts.
You don't want to be that guy, trust me.
I wanted a sandwich angle hat, so I just put it on.
I've been that guy. You don't want to be him.
All right.